guys, welcome to another video. I want to do a quick video on how to uh, combine shipping for buyers who buy more than one items. I'm gonna do first thing you want to do is you want to type in offering combined shipping, and then you want to click on this link and just type that in Google and look for that. And you go down here on the manage shipping settings, so click that. So you want to go here where it says allow combined payments and shipping, and then you want to click on that where it says, make sure it says combined payments, and you want to click edit. So this will allow buyers to send one combined payment for all items purchased. So you can select this to whatever time period to combine those. I had mine set up as 30 days, but right now I'm going ahead and change this to 7 days. That way they have just 7 days if they want to combine those and get shipping discounts. So click save here. And then just a quick thing, you can also have other rules. So you can have a flat shipping rule. Is if you want to subtract the amount for each additional item. That way, if you already have a flat rate, you can subtract amount. Let's say some people, they have it set up for $7, and then each additional would be like another like minus $2 to add. But that's just if you want to do that, or do not offer. I have mine set up like that. And then you have your calculated shipping, which you can do that. So you can do combine all item weights, and or you can combine all item weights and subtract an amount. So that's how, if you want to set up rules to do that for you, where they combine the weight for purchase with calculated shipping. So I'm going to change mine. I'm going to combine all the item weight, because I weigh every single item I have, so I do that. And then you have promotional shipping rule. So here you have minimum purchase price for combined payment, or purchase price for free shipping, minimum items purchased, or maximum shipping cost for a single combined pay order. So those are just things you could select on there. And then once you get that, and that's all you have to do, you can set your business day handling times. Right now mine is set for 2 p.m. Pacific time, but I'm gonna go ahead and change this because I am now on the East Coast, and I do usually ship mine around 4 o'clock every day, sometimes sooner than that, but I'm gonna go ahead and set every day for 4 o'clock. I don't add for the weekends because I don't always ship on the weekends, but I do ship Monday through Friday, so that's what I'm gonna keep mine at. And that's if you want it for same day handling. Alright, and you can exclude shipping. I use the global shipping program, so that's if they don't if you want to change those for different locations, you can do that. But mine is always global shipping program. If you don't know what global shipping program is, an extra tools for people that's overseas that want to get listings. They want to get international shipment to their location, and it's pretty much you ship it on an airplane, and the airplane's to an airport, and then it'll ship on like all the boxes on the airplane, and then it goes to the area where they're located. A little bit slower than regular shipping, but it's a lot cheaper. for them to get those. So I'm going ahead and select that as the default, and then you can customize your international shipping for some locations. So sometimes I do allow to get other international shipping. Not many of them like that, but you can also opt out of the global shipping program. I highly doubt many people would opt out unless they just want to ship to the US, but that's up to you. But that is all you have to do. That's the first step. Now the second step is what you want to do. You want to go to your eBay page, and then go to the selling, and then you want to go to your orders, and then we're going to go to the sold section. So we're gonna go to awaiting payment. Alright, so once you get tier 2 orders, you want to click on the awaiting payment that the buyer is requesting to add combined shipping. I clicked on all 4 of those, and then you're going to click send invoice. As you can see, all 4 that you selected is now on here. So, and then you go change up to whichever way you want to ship this. I'm going to select USPS, select ground, and then here, if you want to add another shipping service, if you want to give them a choice or which one they want to do, you can do that. Let's say they want a priority mail or UPS or FedEx, they can do it. You can offer that too. Alright, so now we're back here and on the computer. So like I said, we're gonna package dimension. Let's go ahead and just put 14 by 11 by 5, and let's say we said 2 pounds 6 ounces, and then it will be my zip code, which will be 23663, and it already has their zip code. So let's do calculate shipping. Now if you go to in-store rates, it'll be $7.74 for that. Now if you hit eBay rates, it's the same thing. Now there's also other things you can come here for. So let's say you had enough room for it was a heavier item and it was $14.25. So that would be if it was heavier item, $14.25 would be reasonable. Or if it was flat rate, you got your flat rate. But we're gonna go ahead and just do select ground, and that would be the price for $7.74. It's from 2.1 ounce to 3 pounds would be the same category for economy services and for the flat rate box. They're all the exact same. So, alright, so we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna close this because I'm just gonna add this $7.74. I'm just gonna select that $7.74. Since it wouldn't automatically add, so it's $7.74. Alright, so it's USPS parcel. Gonna charge for all 4 of these for $7.74 for shipping. And then if you want to add a discount, you can add a discount, but that would be it. So now we're gonna send this invoice to them, and then once you send the invoice, you just wait for the confirmation they paid, and that would be it. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer everything as best as possible. Thank you for watching another video. Please like, subscribe, and considering hitting the notification bell, and you guys have a good one.